The turning point for religious liberty in this country was clearly the Mergens case involving Bible clubs, because it set a different tone. It said no longer will expressions of faith be removed from the public school as if they were somehow subversive or against each other. And that changed the way people thought about religious practice and religious faith, not just in schools, but then across the board.
We wanted to have the Bible study meet in the school, and we thought it'd be no problem to start. But it turned into a problem when the principal said, no, you can't have it.
They may not meet under the present ruling of the Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit if that speech involves some sort of religious thought.
Is it a freedom of speech question in your opinion?
It is not. No, sir. Do you think that high school students and grammar school students should have equal rights with college students?
Do you?
No, sir.
They have the right to meet, and they should have the right to meet, because this is a democracy.
The public schools are really no places for religious meetings, for masses, for revival meetings, for prayer meetings.
Congress saw this widespread discrimination, and that's what it was, against religious speech, Christian speech in particular. They passed in 1984, after extensive hearings, the Equal Access Act.
All it does is say that if a school allows a Young Republicans Club or a Kiwanis Club to meet, equal treatment must be given to religious groups.
There was like a sealed door, which was keeping any practice of, any expression of religious thought out of the schools. There's one ruling after another we can cite, one case after another. Now that seal has been broken. That's the big thing. This is more than a foot in the door. This is an epic change.
Bridget Mergens stood before the school board and asked that she be allowed to have a prayer club and a Bible club meet on her public high school campus. And they were denied that right, even with the Equal Access case. In 1989, when they made the request to the Supreme Court of the United States, and the Supreme Court said, yes, we're going to hear the Mergens case.
On June 4th, 1990, the United States Supreme Court issued a landmark decision. 8 of the 9 Supreme Court justices ruled in favor of Mergens.
And everybody said, when we went and did that prayer and Bible club case, there was no way. That's what the world said, that you'd have prayer and Bible studies back in a public school. No way. And then the decision came out. And it wasn't just a little victory, it was 8 justices out of 9. What does that say? God answers the prayer of his people.